Hey guys, at noon today I thought now everything is leaked. What is there to leak? But I was wrong cause Samsung has once again surpassed itself, in which they have already published their introduction video to the Galaxy S9, which should actually come out tomorrow morning after the presentation today. You already know everything about the two devices, but it is still exciting to see how Samsung presents its new product. The published video shows how the Galaxy S9 proved itself in everyday life and how it can be used. For example, thanks to the new DeXPad at work, simply connect your smartphone to the station and off you go. It does not even need an additional keyboard or mouse to control the PC. All functions can be easily operated via the touchpad of the smartphone in addition to the DeXPad. Samsung also seems to attach great importance to the security of the user's data with the new intelligent scan and Samsung Knox. Important data can be protected on the device so that even if it should be lost, nobody comes to the data. Samsung also particularly interested in the companies with the Galaxy S9 since they offer an enterprise edition with which it is IT specialist of their own company to provide all devices with updates in order to be able to offer the highest possible protection of the data. What surprises me, though, is that Samsung's teasers are big on the camera, but the video does not tell much about it. The focus here seems to be on security. The video also talks about the stereo speakers or the new AR emoji function to give you an idea of what the devices can do. Now just watch the video yourself. I'll provide the link in the description. And let me know in the comments down what you guys think about it. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.